YouTube, it's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, in this video, I'm gonna do a product review and show y'all how to use this Creme of Nature product right here. Black Perfect Edges by Creme of Nature. Yo, this is a good product. So if you're experiencing balding, or if you're experiencing thinning hair, or even if you got gray hair, this product right here will definitely work for you. So I'll show you how I use it right after this. Stay tuned.
Taking off over the king.
So this is Perfect Edges by Creme of Nature, alright? This product right here, yo, this is the truth, man. I seen another YouTube waver using this, and when I saw him using it, I wasn't thinking about going to get it, but I just happened to be in the beauty supply store and happened to run across it like right after I saw his video, and I was like, yo, that look like that'll work. I think that this is real good. This is a real good product to use, especially with the crown. I dibbled and dabbled with it already, and it was kind of amazed by how it kind of isolated my crown. So for me, like I said, it's good for thinning hair. It's good for thinning hair. It's good for gray hair, and it's good for covering up spots. All right. If your crown is not isolated, this product definitely will make your crown look like it's isolated by using this. All right, because this product will definitely fill in the gaps in your hair, fill in the light spots in your hair. And I already know I got a couple of them, a couple of thin areas. I'm not going bald or thinning out. It's just the direction in which my hair grows or whatever like that, and in the way that I be trying to brush. So it just be clashing, you feel me? But we gonna get ahead and throw this product in my hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all the before and the after results with a brush session. So let's go. Alright, so basically when you use this product, alright, and you dip your hand in it, it come out, it kinda looks like a black kind of paste, alright? But it thins out like it kind of like melts in your fingertips, alright? It's like it has a pomade kind of feeling to it, but as you move it around, it kind of thins itself out, alright? But like I said, this stuff is real good. This stuff is real good for covering up thinning hair, bald spots, and gray hair. It'll help dye the gray hair, alright? Until you wash it out or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna get ahead and put it in my thinnest spots on my crown, and so y'all can see the results and how it works. So let's go. yeah, so also keep in mind that my hair is cut low right now. My hair is actually at a 1.5. All right, so my crown thins out, especially when I'm that low, so it's hard to cover it up. But I'm telling y'all, if you got some gray areas or if you got some thinner spots and stuff like that, you might want to go ahead and try that Creme of Nature's Black Perfect Edge oil. Perfect Edge Control, because it does work. It is kind of hard for me to do it in the phone, or hard for me to do it looking in the camera using the mirror, because come on, the camera is only but so big. All right, y'all. But this is just a tip, something for y'all to try. If you're experiencing those problems, you might want to try this product. Anyway, it's your boy Cash. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And got a new clothing line coming, Waivers Anonymous. All right, so make sure that y'all go check out the website. It hasn't launched yet, but you can get and sign up for the email list so that you can get an email notification of when we do launch. All right, it's your boy Cash. Peace.